project name is Stunt Trust, and it's a racing game. And we actually came with this idea because all of our team is we are fans of the franchise Fast and Furious. And yeah, the initial situation wasn't looking that good when we just started planning. Our game actually has the idea of a race that's taking place sometime in the future. And to make our dream come true, we started working using a ticketing system with color-coded tickets. Some of our keywords for our project are race, car, multiplayer, BCI, and neon car. We implemented our game using the Unity and also using the BCI headset that we have from g.tec. And the thing is with our game that you need to collect some stars, and the stars will make the players to select their team, and they will then play against other players. And we have support for up to 12 participants, in which 6 can play using the BCI headset. And the stars are actually the thing that we use to count in exchange for powers. And these powers actually are also used with the BCI headset. And the result outcome of our project is here. It's my friend Florin. He is actually playing, and you can here select the team you want to play, and we can play as pilot and co-pilot. The pilot is driving the car using the arrow keys on the keyboard, and the co-pilot is actually using the headset in order to, here is the calibration part, and here you can see that he has 3, let's say, power-ups. The boost, which actually gives you more speed. Splash and Bomb are 2 mini games that we actually implemented ourselves. And here we can see my friends playing. They are not the best at this game. And we collect the stars, and then we exchange the stars for the respective power-up. If we collect 10 stars, you can use the splash, and if you collect 15 ones, you can use the bomb. For the splash, we'll have some splashes of mud coming onto your screen, and you need to use the headset to make them disappear. And as for the bomb, it's the same idea. You have a bomb on your screen, and that bomb will be, oh, here's the bomb. This bomb, you need to find which is the wire that connects you. And if you choose the correct wire to cut, you will be able to go further. If you're not, you will be stopped for 5 seconds. And these are the splashes of mud that I was talking about earlier. As I said, we used multiplayer. The idea of the multiplayer is that the BCI headset is locally on your computer, and then we send the, with the server client connection, we send the input from the BCI headset to that server, and then we send the output to each client specifically, so that each client afterwards can take action regarding the answer from the server. Okay. And then we actually have a leaderboard to see which one of our friends is up. And then for the reflection, we actually here have some words that our team put together, which kind of marked our experience here at this hackathon. And we are really excited to make our dream come true with this game. And these are some pics of us working. And we hope that you would like our game, and for us it was a pleasure to do this game and to be here present at this hackathon.
Thank you very much. Looks really nice. And Sarah has a question for you.
Yes, thanks very much. Looks like a great game. Um, can you tell me what the biggest challenge was in the last 24 hours for you guys in putting this game together?
Actually, I think it was the idea of we have so much workload because we have so many ideas, and how to actually decide who would take which part and how to tackle everything in order to make the best outcome, because it's a big project, let's be honest.
And it's fascinating what you achieved in 24 hours. Really well done.
Thank you.
And